smile so you know what this is. But if you don't know what's inside though, unless you cheated and you went straight to the video description already, so look at the products I'm going to leave links to. You know how the drill goes already when I make these Amazon videos. And if you want a sneak peek, this is exactly what's inside. A bunch of Anker stuff. Although it's not entirely Anker. There's some other things as well. Yes, finally, I got lightning to USB-C for my iPhone 8 Plus so I can stop charging like a tortoise. Like, what I don't understand about iPhones is that, okay, they already use a proprietary connector and a proprietary port. You would think that with all these proprietary things, it should charge the fastest. No, it actually charges the slowest. How they manage to charge so slow is beyond me, but it's just like, wow, man, wow. Okay, this looks almost like lightning. I almost thought this is lightning until I looked closer and I'm like, no, it's not. Okay, so because I'm currently filming with a USB-C phone, I cannot test these unless I were to fire up the Lumia 950 XL. I don't know if I feel like doing that right now. Maybe I will. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Should I or should I not? For now, I'll just look at this. Yeah. Why is this kind of ashy? Yeah, you see that? And it has that sandish, dryish appearance. Does it smell weird? Okay, let's do a sniff test. No super weird smells. So that's good. You can see the brand name there, Lacdo. It's a beautiful blue, I have to say. Oh yeah, and it has this so that it makes carrying it a lot easier. So what you would do is you would just take this and then connect it like so. Oh, I was out of the frame when I did that, but yeah. So you can just have it like that. Swinging happily and merrily. Yes. I know, that was kind of weird. But anyways, let's look at the other Anker stuff. Use my knife for this. Yes, you were missing that in the beginning. But now you got your daily fix. Wait, did I just say daily? LOL. You got your fix now. Okay, so... Oh, that's what this is. Okay, I was like, but wait. You got something. Okay, you know, now I feel like I really need to test a USB-C phone, man. Actually, yeah, I think I have to. So you know what? I'm gonna power up that Lumia 950 XL just so I can actually test these. Because it's like, what good is it to just show them and not test them? Like, how will I know if they even work? But before I do that, I want to cut into this and just see what it looks like. Alright, for a moment I was kind of concerned if that was successful or not. Thankfully it was. Of course you have all these Anker cards telling you things. Plug in a USB-C power delivery wall charger or your car charger into a power outlet or ensure your power delivery portable charger is fully charged. Charge iPhone 8 and later models at lightning fast speeds. Yes, that is much needed because I don't know why the regular iPhone wires are just so slow. It just doesn't make any sense. Proprietary port, proprietary charger, proprietary operating system, proprietary socket on chip. With all those mentioned, it should theoretically charge the fastest. Which is why iPhones need to just go full USB-C to USB-C. But for now, this is the closest we can get to that. Now, I'm going to have to stop this video for a bit so I can power... Actually, wait, before I do that, I already showed you the inside of this. But, actually, yeah. Nothing more I need to showcase about that, so just toss that off to the side, and we'll get that phone started. Alright, so if you see my previous unboxing videos, you've already seen that I've unboxed USB-C to 3.0, so you're wondering, wait, why did I get more of these? Well, if you were paying special attention, you would know that I was having trouble penetrating my device with these things because this is what happens. Right? You can't go in. So, as a result, I'd always have to strip the phone of its case, and that's really annoying and inconvenient, and I don't always want to be doing that. So I realized that the solution to that was to get something that actually bypasses this case and gets straight into the hole so I can successfully penetrate it. Like that. See, no hassle. I didn't have to strip off all its clothes. I can just go straight in, no problem. So now that I've penetrated it with this black USB-C to 3.0 Anker adapter, I brought out this lovely Hewlett-Packard Z3200, if I got the name correct. Oh my gosh, that is quite a mouthful, but it's just what it's called. By the way, this particular model is quite hard to find. A lot of these places I checked, it's just out of stock. I was lucky to grab this off of eBay. Test it. Oh, I was kind of... Oh, you heard that sound. Can you see the mouse now? Oh, we have to turn it on. Ha ha! Okay, there we go. See that blue light? Where's my mouse going? Why is it looking like it's bouncing all over the place? Okay. Yeah, see that? Why is the cursor inverted? Oh, whatever. Okay, so what should I type? Gosh, I don't know. Let's just type. Are you kidding me? Why does it not even work? It's not working. Why not? Is this for real? Okay, is this just a mouse or is it just a position? Like, what's going on here? Alright, so that worked. TES. Okay, maybe it's just a position. Let me try turning it this way and see if things will be normal. No. I don't know why it's acting like this. Why? Alright, maybe I can try a different mouse or something, or maybe a different charger. I don't know. Okay, so we'll take this one out. Let's crank that up so you can hear that lovely sound. Alright, it's already pretty loud, but we want to hear it in a more pronounced manner. So, okay, we're going to toss the Anker off to the side. Move these cutting tools. I don't know why I even have them here still. And let's test one of the Nondas. Oh yes, I should mention that the Anker is supposed to be USB 3.1. So, yeah, you see that? 3.1 generation, 8 centimeters. So, it should be faster and more responsive. So, if this Nonda beats it, then Anker has some explaining to do. Like, some serious explaining. Okay. I don't see any lines telling me where to cut this. I guess I'm just going to break into this like a savage. Or maybe I can just cut it like this. Wait. Woo! Never mind, it's a good thing I didn't do that. Oh my gosh! Did you see that? Wow. Yikes! That wouldn't have been good. One mind was telling me, you know what? Stop. Because you were going to cut right into this thing and damage it. That's a good thing I stopped. Or else I'd have one that would be out. And these things cost, what, almost $20 a pop? Yeah, not exactly cheap. So, I have to be careful. Okay. I don't see any booklets or anything with this thing. The only thing I see is just this. Oh, you can register? I guess you mean like sign up and join the website or something. So now, I need to get this connected. Come on. Right. Oh, this one's really straight compared to this one that's on the curvier side. Look at that. Yes, you can also see that this really is supposed to be 3.2 because, sorry, 3.1. This one is blue. This one is, come on camera, don't act weird. White. What is with that glare? Okay, that's better. Anyway, so that's that. Now, to get this inside. Now you cannot see it unless I were to do it like that, so I'll just attach this mouse and hope that I'll actually be able to type, because as you could tell with the Anker, that wasn't the case and I wasn't pleased about that. I don't know if it's because the mouse isn't compatible with 3.2 or something, but alright, so you heard that sound. Is that glare annoying? Should I move it out to the frame like that? Yeah, okay, I will do that. No, so it wasn't Anker's fault. Nothing to do with the position. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just the mouse. So, you know, okay, let me grab, let's see, what have I got? Sorry, let me try that Logitech back there. So I'm going to try this guy now, see if it works. Turn this guy off. And just push this away. Okay, I'm not going to even bother fully closing that because you really don't care about me. Oh wait, I have it inside of my computer right now. Fail. Okay, so we're going to have to grab something else. Luckily I have lots of wireless mice around the place, so don't worry, you're not going to be kept waiting long. We'll pull out this nice red sexy one and we'll test it. Now maybe I should turn it on first. Oh wait, it's already on. Well, that's not good. It actually should have been off before I put it in the box. Alright, come on. Why is this being so hard? Why am I having trouble penetrating? Really? Does this not fit at all? Okay, hold on a second. Let me get on the floor. Actually, yeah, I think this is too... okay, you know what? This is apparently too big to fit in this hole, so I'm gonna have to probably, you know, before I even attach it to my phone, let me see if it can fit in the Anker. Because if that's the case, then... okay, so... alright, yeah, it fits into the Anker, but for the Nonda, Nonda's hole is too tight for this mouse's, whatever you call this thing, USB, dongle, whatever. Yeah, Nonda's too tight. It can't take really thick ones. Giggity, 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 giggity. No, but seriously though, it can't take thick ones at all. Anker, on the other hand, she can take really thick ones. Oh, come on. Alright, there we go. Alright. So, wait, what's going on here? Oh, there we go. And no, it looks like the keyboard just doesn't, unfortunately, work. Everything else does, though. If I go to web, that works. If I go to images, that works. If I go to more, let's try out Google Maps. I'm almost certain in one of these videos that the keyboard did work. So I'm not sure why this time it's not working. Like, really? Like, what games? Okay. We should focus the camera over here. Alright, looks good. But, yeah, I think you get the idea at this point. Actually, I just really want to test Google Maps, so where is it? I'll be past it. Or should we just forget it? Yeah, you know what? I think we'll just forget it, because you get the idea. So, yeah, for this one, you're going to need to make sure that you have nano USBs to go inside it, because it is unexpectedly tight. Or should I say, she is unexpectedly tight? Because after all, there's a reason why sometimes they refer to these parts as female and male, because it actually matters. It really does. And apparently size matters too, hence why sometimes you see these labeled as, wait, no, let me bring in frame, as like nano and micro. So from here on, I'm going to pay special attention to when they say whether a USB is nano or micro, because as we can see with this video, the sizes really make a difference. Like, they really do. And that just caught me by surprise that it matters so much. Wow! So, it's not just humans that are apparently fussy in particular about sizes, but electronic devices too? That's weird. That's very weird. But it is what it is, so if you are interested in these products, well, do I even really need to say it, because you already know the drill, how I'm gonna just put direct links to Amazon Canada below, and if you're in another country, you just copy the name of the products and you enter it in your locale and you shop from those links to support the channel. You already know. So do just that, and we'll see next time if we can get the keyboard to actually work through the clicks, because I'm almost reaching other videos I did. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to check again. Alright, I am out.